faster Triceratops. Going to fall the 76 on submarine.
Hey guys, oh my god!
Hello guys.
Yeah!
I can see the shark now. Wait a minute. Holy shit, a shark!
Wait. Oh my god!
A shark! A shark!
Holy crap, we are gonna die! Yes, I think the Ankylosaurus his name is Bambi.
Faster!
Guys, what is it?
The shark is so big.
Here now. What is it?
Well, we here in the ocean. We are going to Russia. Yes, I do. Yes. We're here. We're going to Russia. Moscow. Yes, I do. Yes, I think okay, I do.
Bait, just do it. The shark is for name is Megalodon. Megalodon is a shark name. Oh my gosh, where is Megalodon? Terena Washington DC, attack dinosaur.
No, not Spanish. Not dinosaur. Enrich dinosaur.
Yes, that's a dinosaur, not Spanish.
What? This a Spanish Espanol, Dinosaurio and dinosaur.
Just a minute, Dinosaurio just a dinosaur.
Brother, dinosaurio in a Spanish country, American English dinosaur.
What?
Hey. Oh my god. Oh, stop. Hey, you.
There smells bad. Not me. There.
So fighting stuff. What you just bought me?
Let's get faster forward something. Alright, here we go.
Yeah!
Alright, let's get started now.
Hey, you.
Oh shit, what is that?
Price, what is that? The underwater.
I can know. Yellow face. You look like our shark is so bigger and bigger and bigger. You look at this. Holy crap!